Every joint, every line, every surface is engineered.
From raw steel to unstoppable force. When humans look small, machines look powerful.
Hours become days. Days become years. And the landscape is forever changed.
The Earth took millions of years to form this rock. This machine was built to move it.
Every giant begins with raw strength. These steel plates, thicker than armor and heavier than tanks, form the...
This is not cutting. This is controlled destruction. At thousands of degrees, steel is carved with surgical accuracy.
Here, raw steel becomes structure. Hundreds of welds, each critical, fuse this machine into a...
Power alone is useless without balance. Heat treatment removes hidden stress, ensuring this steel won't crack under millions of tons of force. Vibration levels are stable across the pass.
The laser tracker confirms the geometry is within spec.
Every movement this machine will ever make depends on what happens now. The undercarriage is its foundation.
This single component allows hundreds of tons of steel to rotate with absolute control.
This is the part. Thousands of horsepower, designed to run endlessly under dust.
These lines carry unimaginable force. Hydraulic pressure turns engine power into controlled motion. These are the arms that will reshape landscapes. Every weld, every pin, every cylinder is... This is the moment everything depends on. Hundreds of tons, suspended by steel and trust. Steel meets steel. Months of preparation come down to millimeters. In this moment,
Power without intelligence is chaos. These systems form the nervous network, sensing, calculating.
Inside this fortress of steel sits one human. From here, a single operator will come.
is the first heartbeat. Oil under pressure flows through steel veins. The machine hasn't moved yet, pray, but it's ready to.
This is where theory meets reality. Every ton of ore, every fractured rock begins here.
Steel moves. Hydraulics respond. The calculations were correct. From raw steel to living machine. This is not just manufacturing. This is industrial.
Double-check the bridge clearances on the western route. Already accounted for. The main concern is the axle load on trailer 3.
The build is over. The work begins. Day or night makes no difference. Minds don't sleep, and neither does the machine built to feed them.
This machine isn't built for hours. It's built for decades. Every joint, every line, every surface is engineered.
A machine this powerful demands respect. Skill, training, and experience turn raw force into controlled productivity. From raw steel to unstoppable force, this is what human engineering makes possible.
Time is the ultimate test. After millions of tons moved, the machine doesn't weaken, and it proves why it was built this way.
This machine doesn't guess, it knows. Sensors embedded deep within the structure watch every movement, ensuring... This is not just the world's largest excavator. It is a statement of what ended. Size alone doesn't define dominance. Efficiency, control, and intelligence turn mass into it. When humans look small, machines look powerful. But here, even machines are measured against the Earth itself.
This machine didn't appear overnight. It's the result of decades of failure, learning, and relentless refinement.
Steel returns to the Earth, but the impact remains. This is what happens when human ambition is forged into machine. From above, scale becomes clear. This is not a machine inside a mine.
This is not intimidation. It is trust. When engineering is done right, humans and machines work side by side. Hours become days. Days become years.
and the landscape is forever changed by consistent, controlled force.
Moments pass. Steel remains. This is engineering designed not just to perform, but to endure. Listen closely. This isn't noise, it's rhythm. Power, measured, controlled, and repeated.
The audio features a conversation between individuals, likely engineers or supervisors.
What begins here doesn't stay here. Every bucket feeds cities, power grids, and industries across the planet. This machine doesn't chase records, it sets them. Everything that comes next will be measured against this. Steel fades, rock moves, progress continues. This is what happens when human ambition is built to last. Years later, the promise has been tested, not in brochures, but in rock, dust, and time. And the machine still delivers.
Look at the tonnage difference per cycle. It's exactly as projected.
The smaller units can't keep pace with the 6090.
In mining, reputation is earned the hard way. This machine didn't change expectations overnight. It redefined them permanently.
The Earth took millions of years to form this rock. This machine was built to move it plony and still be working long after. No hype, no shortcuts, just engineering that works relentlessly, repeatedly, without apology. When something this powerful becomes routine, you know engineering has succeeded. The extraordinary has become every day. The best machines don't stop often, and when they do, it's planned. Reliability is not luck, it's engineered. When a machine reaches this level, planning changes. Minds grow around its capability, not the other way around. In heavy industry, respect is quiet. It's earned when a machine does its job, every day, without excuses. This machine is powerful on its own, but unstoppable as part of a system designed around its capability.
When a machine reaches this level, control becomes instinct. Small movements command massive results.
At this scale, a machine stops being equipment. It becomes infrastructure. In modern mining, everything moves to a rhythm, and this machine sets the beat. When uncertainty disappears, productivity becomes unstoppable. Predictability is the real breakthrough. Bigger doesn't mean wasteful. At this level, scale is refined into efficiency. When nothing needs proving, confidence replaces attention. This machine has already earned its place.
At some point, debate ends. This becomes the reference, the standard. Everything else follows.
When production becomes assumed, reliability has reached its highest form. This machine is no longer monitored, it is trusted.
Geological time is measured in millions of years. Industrial time is measured in cycles. This machine collapses the difference.
The most powerful systems don't announce themselves. They simply work and everything else adjusts. Legacy isn't about being remembered. It's about becoming irreplaceable. This is mastery, not spectacle, not scale alone, just engineering that endures.
Every road, every city, every structure begins here. Before civilization rises, the earth must first be moved.
Infrastructure is invisible when it works. Machines like this exist, so the world never notices. This is ambition translated into motion. Not imagined, engineered.
Output metrics are stable at 95 tons per hour.
Acknowledged. Maintaining current trajectory.
Giants exist because the world demands them. And once built right, they simply keep working.
Everything modern begins far from where it's used. Progress starts here, hidden, distant, and rarely seen.
The most advanced engineering is invisible. You notice it only when it's missing. This machine doesn't build cities. It makes them possible. No ending, no finale, just work, continuing.
Most of the world's work happens without witnesses. This machine doesn't need attention to function.
There are no milestones here, no applause, just output, accumulating quietly, relentlessly.
The revised timeline shows we are ahead of schedule on phase 2.
Yes, the excavator is maintaining the expected output.
This machine doesn't rush. It teaches patience training, because efficiency is not speed, it's control. There is nothing left to explain. The work continues. When something this large fades into the background, it has fully become part of reality. The most convincing performance is boring, because nothing goes wrong.
The Earth measures time in ages. Industry measures it in cycles. Both leave marks.
There is no finish line, only continuation. In the end, machines are judged by numbers, and these numbers speak clearly.
People change. Shifts change. The work continues.
The record is written in stone, reshaped, moved, and measured.
The record ends here. The work does not.